Neville Goddard, assume the feeling of your wish fulfilled and observe the route that your attention follows. The power that lies within each of us is beyond what most can comprehend. This power, often referred to as the God power, is not something distant or reserved for a select few. It is within every individual. The essence of this power is that it is creative, ever-present, and responsive to our thoughts, beliefs, and emotions. The key to unlocking this power lies in understanding how it operates and how you can use it to attract anything you desire. At the core of this teaching is the understanding that God is not an external being, but rather the very consciousness that animates your existence. This consciousness, which you often refer to as I am, is the creative force behind all that exists. When you declare I am, followed by a statement of being, you are invoking this divine power and setting into motion the creative process that will manifest your desires into reality. This is why it is so crucial to be mindful of the thoughts and affirmations you entertain, as they directly shape your experience of life. To use this God power effectively, you must first recognize that your imagination is the tool through which you shape your reality. The images you hold in your mind, the scenarios you mentally rehearse, and the emotions you associate with these mental pictures all play a pivotal role in what you ultimately manifest. Imagination is not just idle daydreaming, it is the blueprint of your future. When you imagine something vividly and with emotion, you are planting a seed in the fertile ground of your subconscious mind, which the God power then nurtures into form. It's essential to approach this process with faith and conviction. Doubt is the enemy of manifestation. When you allow doubt to enter your mind, you disrupt the creative process and sabotage your efforts. Faith, on the other hand, is the assurance that what you have imagined and believed will come to pass. This faith is not blind or naive. It is based on the understanding of the laws of creation and the recognition that you are the master of your own destiny. The God power within you responds to your faith and brings forth the exact experiences that align with your beliefs. One of the most effective ways to harness this power is through the practice of feeling as if your desire has already been fulfilled. This is more than just positive thinking. It is embodying the state of being that corresponds to your desire. If you wish to attract wealth, for example, you must feel wealthy now. If you desire love, you must feel loved and loving now. This state of being is what aligns you with the frequency of your desire and draws it into your reality. You may wonder how to sustain this state of being, especially when the external circumstances of your life seem to contradict your desires. The answer lies in persistence and discipline. You must persist in your feeling of the wish being fulfilled, even in the face of contrary evidence. This requires a level of mental discipline that many are not accustomed to, but it is essential for successful manifestation. The God power does not respond to fleeting wishes or half-hearted desires. It responds to the sustained, focused intention of a mind that knows what it wants.
It's also important to cultivate a deep sense of gratitude. Gratitude is a powerful force that amplifies your creative power. When you express gratitude, you are acknowledging the presence of good in your life, which attracts even more good.
Gratitude shifts your focus from lack to abundance, from fear to faith, and from doubt to certainty. It is a magnetic force that draws to you the very things you are thankful for. The more you practice gratitude, the more you will see your desires effortlessly manifesting in your life. Another key aspect of using the God power is aligning your desires with the highest good for all. When your desires are in harmony with the greater good, they are supported by the universal intelligence that governs all things. This does not mean that you must sacrifice your desires for the sake of others, but rather that you must seek outcomes that uplift and benefit everyone involved. When your intentions are pure and aligned with love, the God power works through you in miraculous ways, bringing about outcomes that are far beyond what you could have imagined. It's crucial to recognize that this power is not something you need to beg or plead for. It is not something that can be earned or lost. It is your birthright, inherent in your very being. You do not need to seek it outside of yourself because it is already within you. The only thing required is your conscious recognition and use of it. This realization should fill you with a sense of peace and confidence, knowing that you are not at the mercy of external circumstances, but rather the creator of them. Many people underestimate the significance of self-concept. the image they hold of themselves in relation to the divine power that animates their lives. This self-concept acts as a filter through which all of your experiences are shaped. If you see yourself as limited, unworthy, or disconnected from this infinite power, you will inevitably create experiences that reflect those beliefs. However, when you start to see yourself as a co-creator with this divine force, capable of molding reality according to your will, everything changes. It's crucial to understand that your self-concept is not a fixed entity. It is something you can consciously change by choosing new beliefs and affirmations about yourself. By doing so, you align yourself with the truth of your being, that you are a powerful creator, endowed with the ability to bring forth anything you desire. The process of shifting your self-concept requires a deliberate and consistent effort, but it is one of the most life-changing steps you can take on your journey to mastering the God power within. One effective way to shift your self-concept is through the use of positive affirmations. These are not mere words but declarations of truth that, when repeated with conviction, begin to reprogram your subconscious mind. For example, affirmations such as, "I am a powerful creator," "I am one with the infinite power of the universe," or "I attract all that I desire with ease," can help to reinforce a self-concept that is in harmony with your divine nature. The more you affirm these truths, the more they become a natural part of your consciousness, and the easier it becomes to manifest your desires. Another essential aspect of working with the God power is understanding the role of intuition. Intuition is the divine guidance system that resides within you, constantly nudging you in the direction of your highest good. When you are in tune with this inner guidance, you are able to navigate the complexities of life with grace and ease. Intuition often speaks in a soft, subtle voice, guiding you through feelings, impulses, and sudden insights that lead you to your desired outcomes. To cultivate a stronger connection with your intuition, it is important to create space in your life for stillness and reflection. Meditation, journaling, and spending time in nature are all practices that can help you tune into this inner wisdom. Visualization is more than just imagining your desires. It is about experiencing them in your mind as if they are already real. When you visualize with emotion and clarity, you create a vibrational match between your inner world and the physical reality you wish to experience. This vibrational alignment is what draws your desires to you with seemingly miraculous speed. Visualization should be a daily practice, a time when you immerse yourself in the feeling of already having what you want. The more vivid and detailed your visualizations, the more powerful they become in shaping your reality. It's also important to acknowledge the role of emotional alignment in the creative process. Emotions are the fuel that powers your manifestations. When you align your emotions with your desires, feeling the joy, excitement, and gratitude of having what you want, you send out a powerful signal to the universe that attracts similar frequencies. This emotional alignment is often the missing piece for many who struggle to manifest their desires. It's not enough to think about what you want. You must feel it deeply and consistently. This emotional state of being is what magnetizes your desires to you and accelerates their manifestation. As you continue to develop your understanding and use of this power, you will begin to see shifts in your life that are undeniable. You will notice that your desires manifest with increasing ease and that your life begins to reflect the beauty, abundance, and love that you have always dreamed of. This is the true essence of living in alignment with the God power, creating a life that is not only successful but deeply fulfilling on every level.
In conclusion, the God power within you is the key to attracting anything you desire. By aligning your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions with your desires, and by maintaining a state of gratitude and faith, you can harness this power to create a life of limitless possibilities.
This power is always available to you, waiting for you to recognize and use it. So take control of your thoughts, use your imagination wisely, and watch as the God power brings your desires to life. Before we close, if you found value in this teaching and wish to continue exploring these profound truths, make sure to like this video. Your engagement helps us reach others who are also on the path to self-discovery and empowerment. If you haven't already, subscribe to the channel so you won't miss out on future teachings that can help you unlock your full potential. If this message resonated with you, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. It's a small gesture that makes a big difference in spreading this life-changing knowledge. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and join our growing audience committed to mastering the power within. If you believe others could benefit from understanding these principles, show your support by liking this video. And to stay connected with more content that can guide you on your journey, be sure to subscribe to the channel. If you felt inspired by this teaching, why not give this video a like? It's a simple way to show appreciation and to ensure more people can discover these empowering ideas. And while you're at it, subscribe to the channel so you can continue receiving insights that can transform your life. If you appreciate the insights shared today, don't forget to like this video. Your feedback fuels our mission to bring you content that uplifts and empowers. And subscribing to the channel is the best way to stay informed about future teachings that can help you harness your inner power.